Hey guys, this is Chris from Garden State Exterior Cleaning. I'm going to do a little walkthrough of my flatbed build that I'm working on. I guess we'll start over here. Started with 4 electric hose reels. I got 2 Titans, I got 2 Kings, just because the Kings I got really cheap off Marketplace. They're all wired to a, I guess like a fuse box type of thing here. I got a relay here, so I turn that on. I have my Flow Pro here. I need to get mounted. This is going to be a bleach reel, water reel. It's already plumbed. I'm going to make it so I can run my soft washes off either a cam lock fitting, or if I want to run them through the reel, I can. Just so for jobs where we only pull out like 50 feet doing like a driveway or something, I don't have to pull off a bunch of hose. I can just run it through the reel real quick. We use that a lot just for pre-treating or post-treating when we have really dirty concrete. Air compressor for the air diaphragm pump. This is where things got kind of crazy here. So I wanted to add a 12-volt pump to this build. I've never used one before. I wanted to make it so I could run it through my metering system or use it as a transfer pump. So I have 2 3-way valves here. It's a little confusing right now just because the plumbing isn't done. But essentially this is going to control whether I use the air diaphragm or the 12-volt. And then this is going to be for if I'm going to use it as a transfer or through the metering system. Really a pain in the ass. This is 3/4. This is 1/2 inch to 1 inch. This is 1 inch. The hose reels are 1/2 inch. It just made everything kind of complicated. And we don't really have a store here in New Jersey where I can go and buy these little fittings very easily. So a lot of times I'd be working on it and then I'd have to order a few little fittings and then go put things together only to find out that I needed more fittings. Y strainer. I have my 55-gallon bleach tank, 325-gallon water tank, 10-gallon minute hydromax hot water system. I really like this. I have, I don't know, about, let's see, 752 hours on it. Wow, did not realize I had that many on it. I had to get a stainless steel pipe off Amazon. Stainless steel is really hard to buy for some reason, so I ordered that off of Amazon to divert the exhaust away from the tank. It's going to go down. I wrapped my fuel line here to keep that out of the way, and then put a cam lock on here to make things nice and easy to winterize. And that's it. You know, I should have like the ultimate one person rig right here when that's all done. Next I'm going to be building this is Chevy flatbed. I just got 14-foot flatbed. I used to run a 14-foot trailer, so everything from my trailer is basically going to get transferred over to this. I'm going to have a 525, probably 2 hot water machines. I think I'm going to do 1-inch air diaphragm pump on that, and a 12-volt as well. And this should be kind of like the ultimate 2-person rig when it's all finished, but I still have a few months before this is going to be all done. I got to get it wrapped. You know, I haven't even been able to drive it since I bought it. You know, we've had so much snow on the ground. It's been like 20 degrees out here every day. Had to get some new mirrors for this so I could see past the hose rails. So I had them installed. My passenger side one, I wasn't able to see anything after the hose reels were installed, and it was getting a little dangerous. So this is what I got going on right now. Waiting for this weather to break, some of the snow to melt a little bit, and ready to get working this spring.